So in recent days, I've been listening frequently. People are telling me I don't have the environment to learn English, or I'm living in a village that is not perfect to learn English, or I'm living in such a place where no one practice with me English, or no one feel good to speak English or to practice with me. Yes, that is very much true. Our country, this is Bangladesh, and our native language is Bengali. We would like to talk in our native language. We are not feeling comfort to speak in English or to learn English. So I would not say like this that I don't have the environment. I will say yes, I have the environment, because this is the cutting edge technology right now where we are living. We have the internet, we have the smartphone, everyone have their smartphone or the internet access. So from internet you will get each and everything. You can create your own environment, you can learn English, you can speak English, you will get a lot of partners. So why we are telling like this, I don't have environment, or from where I am living that is not perfect to learn English, or from where I can start. We are used to tell these type of things, and that's why we are so back. We are in a back situation. So please don't say this again. You have the internet, so just use it in a proper way. You will get each and everything about English. If you just simply search on Facebook about English, you will get a lot of pages, a lot of platforms where a bunch of people are learning English, they are practicing English. Just in Bangladesh, we have a famous Facebook group, Facebook English group, that the name of this group is Search English, where near about 3 million people are engaged in this group that is Search English, where the 3 million people every day they are learning about English. They are writing over there, they are reading over there, they are making video over there. So you will get a lot of things, a bunch of things. So not only about Search English, there are a lot of groups which is not possible to say in this video. You just simply search over there about English. I want to learn English, or English language, or partner about English. You will just simply search, you will get a lot of things. So not only about Facebook, but also we have the YouTube. That is a very much amazing platform for me, I would say, obviously. So not only for me, I guess each and everyone, the YouTube platform, that is amazing, because you just need to search what you want to get. If you want to listen any motivational speech, you just simply write over there motivational speech. You will get a lot of things. If you just want to learn English, you just simply write over there, I want to learn English, or from where I can start. You will get a lot of videos, and there are the great people who are making videos, who are the teacher about English, who are the mentor about English. You will get a huge instruction about English, from where you can start. You might confuse, like I have to start from grammar, or I have to first of all memorize the vocabulary. What the things I have to learn first of all whenever it comes to learn English. You are might confuse about your pronunciation, or about your speaking or reading or listening. Maybe you are asking about yourself, I don't understand the native speaker what they are saying. Or you might confuse that I don't have good grammar, so first of all maybe I need to learn about grammar. So it is not about this. You will get a decorate instruction over there, and arranged instruction over there, that will be very much effectful for you to learn English, to speak English. So please don't say this word again in your life, like I don't have the environment, I don't have the partner who will speak with me, or I'm not getting any facilities or anything, I'm not getting any mentor in my life, or I'm down, I'm feeling low. Please don't say this type of word. Just use your internet in an effective way. That will make your life better and better. You will go so far, you will go forward. No one can stop you, but you will start to use your internet properly. So a lot of guys, maybe you are thinking, from where I learned English, from any coaching center or from any mentor. The truly thing that is with me happened, I didn't join in any coaching center, or I don't have any mentor in my life. I'm the mentor in my life. I'm each and everything in my life. I have the internet, I have everything, I have the world. and just right now I'm making this video by my smartphone, and in my smartphone I have the internet. So just because of this smartphone and internet, I've been learning English. No one is helping me to learn this language. Just I'm enough as I have the internet. So please don't say this word again in your life. I don't have the environment, or I don't have any partner who will practice with me in English. So hope you have enjoyed this video as I shared the fruitful information about your environment, from where you can start. That is the thing which is about internet and your smartphone. So just go ahead from today. No one can stop you. That is for this video. Hope to see you in another video. Till then, stay based, stay motivated. That's it. Bye.